Hi everybody, thank you for joining me today. I just thought I'd jump on because I wanted to share with you an amazing offer that we've got from Highlight Crafts, and this is just incredible. So I've got 3 of the rice paper USBs here, and these have got an incredible £10 saving on them, which we've never been able to bring you to at that price before, which is just amazing. I've got here Eclectic Beauty, I've got the beautiful at Christmas time, and I've got the 22 carat as well. 3 absolutely exquisite USBs, and I'm going to share with you exactly what's on here. I'm also going to do a super quick project just to give you a bit of inspiration, but I'm so happy that I've been able to share these with you at this unbelievable price, which is one of those where when these are gone, they are truly gone. So this is the final call on these USBs at a great price. So I'm going to take you straight over to Minecraft Studio. I'm going to share with you exactly what you're going to get on here. So going into each 3 of these USBs, you can see here I have got my Christmas, our Eclectic Beauty and our 22 carat. Let's start off with 22 carat to share with you exactly what's on here. Now, the rice papers themselves, I mean, the index sheet here gives you a glimpse of inspiration as to what you're getting, and you can see the theme and the trend that runs through this one. It's very Art Deco. We've got some surface pattern and imagery repeat in here. I mean, look at this. These are just glorious designs. If I take these off the page and share with you a few others, look at the exquisite imagery and think about what you could be doing with these papers when you get this USB home. What could you be creating? Are you going to crop into these? Are you going to use Minecraft Studio to tailor these designs to your projects? Are you going to work with the imagery and the colorways that you've been presented with? Or are you thinking, well, maybe this particular design I would like in a separate colorway. I'd like to play with the colors and tailor it to my project and make it my own, which is exactly what you can do here. So you can see manipulating the files and the papers, which really then makes this design something that you've created yourself. We've got damask in here. We've got, look at these beautiful, intricate, decadent designs. But we've also got really strong imagery from your doors, your windows, which really set the scene. So let's have a look at another one of these amazing USBs, again with that incredible saving of £10 on these USBs. So let's have a look at our Christmas time. Now, this is the perfect time of year to start getting ready and thinking about crafting for Christmas, because of course, before we know it, we'll be doing those craft fairs, we'll be selling our makes, and also we'll be selling or creating gifts for the family. So it's great to get ahead whilst we've got this price. So you can see here, all of these designs on here. We've got scenery, we've got imagery, we've got really nostalgic elements that can resonate true, treasured memories of Christmas. But we've also got something quite contemporary with the icy tones in here, or even just texture, something that will work with every collection you could ever wish to create with. Parquet flooring, maybe you like miniatures and doll's house or interiors. You can see how these are going to tie in, but this here has to be one of my favorite images on this USB. I just love this, the true nostalgia. It takes me right back to what I feel like Christmas is all about with that old world Santa Claus. But we've even got a bit of steampunk in here. Now, this was an extremely popular collection when we first shared this with you. So this is your last chance to get it at this amazing price that we can share with you from Highlight Crafts. And then I'm going to take you into, by no means least, the last collection here, which is your Eclectic Beauty. Now, this one was one of the first designs that we actually shared with you here from Highlight Crafts, and it has some of the most beautiful, glorious imagery on here. Very vintage, very floral, very chateau and chic. So taking you through some of this imagery, you can see the pops of colour are so vibrant and indulgent, they almost leap from the surface of the page. And again, think about what you could do with these. Think about, are you going to be cropping into them? Are you going to pick out an imagery like this with your lavender on here? Maybe this is going on a plant pot for the garden. Maybe going to crop into it and think, well, actually, I've got a circular plate which would be perfect to place this on the back of. So I'm just going to crop it here and use that section of the design. This is all things that you can be doing with these USBs while they're at this price. But I mean, look at this. Look at how much you're getting in here. There's such versatile designs, which means that no matter who you're crafting for or who you're creating with, or maybe just you feel like doing a bit of decoupage that day, you're going to find something here that is for you. So this is definitely an all-rounder. But of course, that is the digital side of things. And you might be thinking, well, with these 3 USBs here, what can we be creating? And of course, on this USB, on each one of these, you're getting 50 rice paper designs, and then you're also getting 10 topper sheets. So you're getting 60 designs on each individual USB, which is monumental. The amount of content that you're getting with these is incredible. And again, we've not been able to share this price with you previously here from Highlight Crafts. So I'm going to share a really quick project, something that we can do in just a few minutes to give you a bit of inspiration, and maybe this is your way of getting into rice paper or exploring with a few new techniques to your craft room. So I've selected one of our papers here. I'm going to lay it out in front of me, and I'm actually reassembling it at the moment just to show you that we can make a project with just one paper. But look at just a few of these here that I've been printing. Some of this from a selection of those 3 USBs of what we could be crafting with. This one here, great. I mean, imagine this for Mother's Day. You could have a menu or set on here. Maybe you're doing a family dinner. Again, look at the peonies on here. They are absolutely gorgeous, and they just really are so striking. You could snip into all of here, use your water brush, feather those away. Something very oldie worldy, but again, very timeless. Something very in keeping with such current trends and ones that may be working with your current projects within your craft room. But I selected to use this one here because I thought the imagery worked really well for the surface I wanted to play with. So I picked up this really inexpensive watering can. It's actually a wall hanging piece, and I thought, let's craft with this today. So my particular rice paper design, I divided it into 3 pieces. You can see here, I sliced out this section on the side, this border with the roses on. I then chose to use this notelet, this postcard in the bottom, and this one here is going to be my additional decoupage. So eating into one of those 60 designs from each USB, this shows how much you can actually create with all of these. So I'm going to start with my Cadence napkin glue. Now, of course, you can get this as well on the Highlight Crafts website, and this is going to be great for adhering your rice papers onto all your hard surfaces and making them washable. So what I'm going to start with is on the reverse of this design here, I'm going to start to place my napkin glue. Now, I've placed a 50p piece size of that glue here, and we can always add more if we need to. So straight onto the reverse of this paper, I'm just spreading the adhesive quite generously all over the surface area of that rice paper. And what that's doing is actually locking into the rice paper itself and almost binding those fibers together, which is going to mean this is perfect for our next process, which is the application. Now, when I'm doing a rice paper project, I always like to do it methodically and in steps, which sometimes for crafting isn't something I would instantly think of doing, but there's a reason why. And that's so that, of course, the look and feel and the texture of this rice paper now has completely changed. It almost feels like a sticker, but this means it's ready for application. So we just want to do one piece at a time. So I'm going to bring in the watering can here. I'm going to set that border just to the side and actually run it round this edge. And you can see that that napkin glue has allowed us to actually shape this rice paper to our surface. So I'm just working onto here and letting the rice paper just drop where it naturally wants to sit. In any areas that you may think will crumple or crease, work back into them and drag them to their desired location of where you want them to sit. Be in control of the project and allow yourself to actually get the results you want. Now, with the leftover product that I've got on my mat here, I'm then going to run my brush into the rice paper. Now, this particular surface of this watering can has loads of beveled edges, lots of indentation, which is great because that then means that the rice paper is going to sink into here and I can start to then visualize and see the texture coming through. So I'm working into all of that, all the nooks and crannies of the design, even down to the spout of the watering can, and anywhere where the rice paper overlaps, I'm just allowing it to freely fold into the surface. Now you can see instantly that this is shaped to the watering can. So let's grab our second element here. And what I think I'm going to do is tear this one right down this edge here. There we go. So we're just going to angle this piece off. So now I'm going to flip it over again, working onto the reverse of our rice paper, picking up our napkin glue, straight onto the surface of that rice paper, even right up to the edges. You want to make sure, it's a little bit like when you're pasting paper for the wall, if you're decorating, you want to make sure all the edges are sealed. That's going to give you the best adhesion. So then I'm just going to lap this one over this side, like that. And again, take my brush and just follow the surface. Allow your bristles of your brush to soak into all of the indentations. You can pounce to get all of that rice paper really tightly tucked in. So I'm just going to fold that round. Here we go. And we're going to add, I think, just one little piece to wrap around the spout here. So I'm just tearing this up into little sections just to sort of go across this edge here. So I'm going to take a little bit more of my adhesive out of here. There we go. And this is one of those projects that you could literally do in minutes within your home. You go straight into your computer, into Minecraft Studio, or you don't even have to use Minecraft Studio if you don't want to. You can just click, print, and go with these papers. So if you don't want to use the computer for manipulation or altering the files, you don't have to. You can go straight to the papers and just print them out from that USB and start crafting. And you can think of how many projects you can do in literally a day or an hour. Think of how many you can create. Then I'm just going to add a little bit towards the bottom of that spout, I think round here. So again, a little bit more glue onto the reverse of that paper and just fold that round. And you could go all the way round with this, even really intricate fine detail shapes you can work onto. Then I'm going to add just a little bit in the center just to carry that design on around here. There we go. So again, a little bit more adhesive just onto the reverse. And the napkin glue that I'm using from Cadence works hand in hand with this rice paper, and you'll find those also on our website. And once this is dry at room temperature for about half an hour, it's then waterproof. It means we can wipe this down and use it as a functional item. Then you can see with our watering can, if I just turn this round to you, how easy and simple was something like this. We've actually created a project within our home that could sit on the fence, in the garden, great as a Mother's Day gift, something that's really inexpensive, or maybe it's a charity shop find. But again, with those 3 USBs, your Eclectic Beauty, your 22 carat, and of course, also your at Christmas time, you've got those 3 USBs with that amazing £10 saving to have a go at. Don't miss out on this while we've got them. They're amazing. And I'd love to see what you do with them. So I'll see you soon.
If you want to see more from Highlight Crafts, make sure you subscribe by clicking the button below. Then click the bell icon to receive notifications for all our new content.